Welcome to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. Good to be back with you. Today I'd like to share with you the Kubernetes in the Data Center training program. This particular training program is designed for all of you who are directly involved or seek to be involved in open source software architecture or administration, specifically involving the Kubernetes containerization framework and tool set. This particular training program is structured around 9 learning modules to give you the core skills you need to advance your career and open up new earnings and income potential. They include, first of all, Kubernetes on-prem. Second, hardware configuration. Third, Linux configuration. Fourth, Kubernetes installation. Fifth, application storage. Sixth, application networking. And rounding out, running Kubernetes, Kubernetes monitoring, and finally, Kubernetes security. So I think you can see that this is a very robust, well-rounded training program for all of you architects and sysadmins who would be responsible for designing, let alone managing and running a Kubernetes software environment in your organization. I invite you to visit our website. We have the full course curriculum. Information will help answer any questions that you may have on how this program can help advance your career and open up new earnings and income potential for you. I wish you much success and hope to see you soon.